Hey guys, today we are going to show you on how to do the data entry to show subtotal in report. There are two different ways to key in data for RTM report and FR3 report. Let's start. First example, we will be showing the data entry for RTM report. Key in the first part of your items. For example, we keyed in kitchen work here. Then, under the first part of items, insert new row and you can insert R into the item description. R will help to calculate on the subtotal for kitchen work. Continue with the second part of items. Insert item description R again for the subtotal of floor finish. After keying in all the items, I would like to have a grand total. Insert a new row and you can insert T into the item description for grand total. Lastly, I had inserted a new row called manpower. Insert item description R again for the subtotal of manpower. Let's see the effect on the report printed out. As you can see, you will have one subtotal for kitchen work with item description R. Subtotal for floor finish work with item description R. Grand total for kitchen work and floor finish work with item description T. Refresh the subtotal for manpower with item description R. On the other hand, FR3 report has a different method to display the subtotal. Let's see how it works. Under the first part of items, insert new row and insert the item code STR. STR will help to calculate the subtotal for kitchen work. Continue with the second part of items. Insert an item code STR again for the subtotal of floor finish. Once again, I would like to have a grand total for kitchen work and floor finish. Insert a new row and key in item code STT for grand total. Lastly, insert item code STR again for the subtotal of manpower. Let's see the effect on the report when it is printed out. As you can see, you will have one subtotal for kitchen work with item code STR. Subtotal for floor finish work with item code STR. Grand total for kitchen work and floor finish work with item code STT. Refresh the subtotal for manpower with item code STR. That's all for this video, thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.